It's Devauna Mum.
Oh, he's in the clear, he's got away. Saved! Somehow the keeper kept it out. Oh, well held at the second attempt. Good keeping. Starting to throw it out this time. Defence is looking very vulnerable here, they just can't go. It's a searching ball. Plays it down the flank. Ready.
What was that for? Well, every time you come in here, you always watch TV, and then you play your game, PS4, and then you watch the DVD, and then you watch the TV, and then you watch the DVD. You need to go do something. You burn up my electric, you not paying no bills. Mayo, go on, go make me a cup of tea.
Are you ready to help your loved one live a lively life?
He went from not knowing anything.
My youth, what you dig for? Gold? You nasty little something, you. You dig out your nose in front of me. You know. Come out to my face, my youth. Go and go make me a nice cup of your hot cup of tea. Nasty line.
Watch as host Sherry Snelling and her caregiving club show you and your family wonderful ways to stay connected.
My youth, what's wrong with you? Show me your hands. Blouse and skirt. Have you ever heard of cream? Who you think you is? Cast by the creamy ghost? My you, why your hand look like custard creams? You know how to use cocoa butter? You look like you was swimming in the desert. How can you swim in the desert? That's what you look like you was doing with your hands. Go on, go make me a hot cup of tea. What you move for? Fresh. You think you're motley? Always doing this, always bullying me. Don't you know that? I can literally poison her right now. All I have to do, get me one tea bag, a little bit of pinch of what? No, Mum, I didn't mean it. No.
No jitterbug.
The jitterbug.
Not jazzy.
Don't miss.
Vanna! Yes, Mom. Go on, go make me a nice cup. I know. Make you a nice hot cup of tea.